Hey guys, this is Fun with Brittany. Thanks for watching my channel. I just wanted to show you some of the very first things that I picked up in 2021 at my first Trader Joe's shopping trip since fall has hit. It is finally September and they're starting to stock up some of the holiday items, including all kinds of pumpkin and butternut squash stuff. So I wanted to just show you guys some of my favorite items that I picked up on my first trip, and there are a couple things I'll be going back and getting. But this time I just wanted to grab the things that I know I like. So obviously for the fall, the sooner I can get my pumpkin, the better it is, because I can enjoy it for longer. So they had these beautiful pumpkins. They were only $4. And then they had the awesome cinnamon broomsticks, which I like to buy for pretty much every room in my house. And those were also $4. And then finally, I've been waiting for canned pumpkin, looking everywhere. I like to keep that in stock just because, especially if you have a puppy that gets sick, it's always good to keep canned pumpkin anyway. But during this time of year, I do like to make pumpkin bread as well as like pumpkin pies, and I just use pumpkin for a lot of my cooking. So I did go ahead and pick up some canned pumpkin to keep on hand, and I will definitely keep some in stock this year since that's a very seasonal item. They had these great pumpkin tortilla chips. It says they have pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So those look awesome and yummy. And normally I buy the sweet potato version of these chips there, so I think pumpkin will be a nice alternative. And then, of course, I had to pick up this white cheddar popcorn. And so that's not really a seasonal item, but I just really love to have that during the holidays. We do a lot of movie nights, and that was a good value too. It was like $1.50 for that whole bag. So I love the white cheddar popcorn. And then as far as the two frozen foods, I wanted to get stuff that I had tried before and really liked. And so the butternut squash mac and cheese is an awesome little dish that's easy to make. And then they also have the butternut squash mac and cheese bites. So those look really yummy too. And I'm excited to have them again. And it looks like they're even served with a little bit of marinara sauce, which I guess I can kind of remember from the other year. But I hope you guys like this video. These are just some of the first items that I picked up, like I said, and I will definitely be going back for more, and I'll show you guys what some of the new fall Trader Joe's items are. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what your favorite fall items are at Trader Joe's.